Um, Retired working dogs like you see here, they usually don't need a lot of, apart from the medical, they don't need a lot of, ganyan lang, just give them space. Just malambing yung mga yan, most of them are. Meron din iba na talagang ang ugali is hindi ganun ka affectionate, and that's fine, yun yung behavior, yun yung ugali niya. But most of them, ganyan, just let them be. Kaya naman. Masaya naman sila. Okay, so retired service officer, it depends on what you are looking for. If you are, you just want a companion around the house na medyo low maintenance,
Yes.
a senior dog would be good for you. Kasi nga, ganyan na yung personality nila, they will just lie down all day. Kung medyo active ka, then there are retired canines who are younger. Meron kami dito kasi nire-retire as early as 2 years old.
2 years old.
Yes, yun yung mga, minsan kasi hindi sila nakapasa sa training.
Sa training, yeah.
Yung iba naman, like our tripod, wala pa siyang 2 years old nung naputulan siya. So those are instances where you can get a retired working dog na hindi naman ganun ka-tanda. So we've had some people who really wanted someone, as I said, who can be a good home companion, hindi na masyado makulit, hindi na puppies. A lot of them really want big dogs. Merong iba naghahanap ng security, merong mapoprotektahan yung bahay nila. Although we typically say that gusto namin retired na sila. No? The thing is with dogs naman, pag feeling at home na siya at comfortable sa environment, paprotektahan yun. Natural na ugali nila yun. Pag kunyari, alam nyo na ito yung territory nila, pag meron ibang intruder, mag-a-alarm din. Hindi naman sila mga away necessarily, but at least
Magbabark lang. Sige.